If you're wondering why towing is so expensive, well, first it started off by you having a dispatcher, and having a driver, and having a $70,000 truck, and then the insurance in Michigan is the highest in the land, no matter. And then the insurance in Detroit is even higher than that. So the insurance is ridiculous, and then the part prices are ridiculous because they know you're driving a tow truck. So this part that you're looking at now, this is a wheel bearing on most cars, costs about $130. On our commercial truck, it's $365 retail for one spindle. That's about 4 tows. So if you wonder why the prices are so high, now you know. This is your boy Rod, AT&C Fleet, crying my tears. Take care.